students, till now in the last video we have done how to find out the HCF, highest common factor. Now in this video we will do LCM. What is LCM? LCM is least common multiples. In starting exercises we have done multiples. We have written multiples, different multiples of the numbers. Out of these multiples now we will write then common multiples. Then from common multiples we will find out which multiple is the least multiple. Exercise 5.9 is based on LCM. Write first 10 multiples of following pairs of numbers and find the common multiples then and least common multiple. First is 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Write first 10 multiples for 2, then first 10 multiples for 4. For 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. These are the first 10 multiples of 2. Then first 10 multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36 and 4 10s are 40. These are the first 10 multiples of 4. Now we will write common multiples. First of all, common multiples. CM means common multiples. First common multiple is 4 and 4. It is present in both. We will write it once. Next common multiple is 8. We will write it once. Then is 12. We will write it once. Next is 16. Write once. Then 20. Write it once. Okay, we have written all the common multiples 4 8 12 16 and 20. Out of these common multiple, which is the least multiple? See, least means lowest. Which is the lowest? 4. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Another method for finding the LCM is division method. Second question, find the LCM of the two numbers. Another method we will do, we will find the LCM of numbers by another method, that is division method. What is division method? For LCM, it is like this, which was the also like prime factorization method 2, 3 and 6. In what is the difference in prime factorization and this? In prime factorization we find out the prime factors separately. Prime factor of 2 separate, for 3 separate and 6 separate. But in division method for finding the LCM, we write all the numbers collectively and divide with prime numbers. 2 divide with 2, 2 ones are 2. 3 doesn't go with 2, so it will remain as it is. 2 3s are 6. Now 3, we can divide it by 3. 1 will remain as it is. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. In the last we have got 1 1 1. So we will stop here. We will stop further dividing till we get, when we get 1 1 1 in the last. So what is the LCM here? Divide all these numbers, prime numbers 2 and 3. 2 into 3, sorry, not divide, multiply all the prime numbers. 2 into 3. What is LCM? 2 3s are 6 is the LCM. One more sum I am doing. 3, 4 and 6. Write all the numbers collectively. 3, 4 and 6. First I am going to divide with prime number 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 doesn't go with 3. It will remain as it is. 6. 3 2s are 6. Then now we can divide it with 2. 1 will remain as it is. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 1s are 2. Now we will divide by 2 again. 1 will as it is. 2 1s are 2. 1 will remain as it is. Now in the last, here we have got 1 1 1. So stop solving further. We have finished the sum. What is LCM? Multiply all these prime numbers. 3 2s are 6. 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM here. So in this way we can solve rest of the sums also. That's all for today. Thank you.